Hello everyone, this is Damon with Pixnub Software, and I'm going to be discussing the batch processing with the image extract HTML panel. Now this is different than with Easy Green Screen. With this batch processing, you're not going to be able to just hit go and walk away and have it do all of the work for you, but it is going to speed your workflow up a lot anyway. So the first thing is when you're batch processing, I highly recommend putting this panel docked into the workspace. And I'll show you why here. If it's, for instance, in this little icon pop out, anytime you close that or reopen that, you see how it disappears when you're opening it and then pops back up? It's actually resetting the image extract program. That's just the way Photoshop is designed, and so it's actually going to stop your batch processing. Now, if you have it inside of its own group, it will also reset if you close it or if you double click it. See when I double click this, it goes away and reappears. That's resetting it. Or if you click on another tab and then back to this one, it's going to also reset the image extract program. It's just the way Photoshop is. Nothing I can do about it in the programming. And so what you may want to do too is only have one tab in there. That way it's not tempting just to click another one. In any case, if you restart the batch, it will remember where you're at, so it's not a huge deal, but just something to keep in mind. All right, so now what you have to do is just go into your batch settings, give it a source folder and a save folder. If you click save in same location, it's actually going to put it in a subfolder under that folder, so it will be in its own folder anyway. And then for the save type, you have TIFF, PNG, and PSD. Any of those single layer or TIFF or PSD, you can do multi-layer. So I'm just going to start it here. So you can see your batch progress down here. Also, you'll see that step 4 is removed, and that's the step that is for merging to a single layer. If you selected single layer in your batch, it's automatically going to merge all of the layers, so you don't need to do that. That's why that step is removed. And so at any time you can stop the batch or you can skip to the next image. So if it opens one and you just decide you don't want that image, you can skip and it's going to close that without saving and open up the next image in the batch. So from here you just go through the same entire process that you would if just running one image. I'm going to do a lasso selection of the hair. And then once that's done, hit define hair and select subject. Or if you didn't have hair, you could just hit select subject. And then from here, again, you'll just go in and make sure you fine tune the edges. I'm using the magic wand here. Actually looks pretty good. And then I'll actually go right in. I'm kind of being picky here for the demonstration, but in any case, just hit remove background. And then it's going to bring you into the select a mask to make any touch-ups. Actually, I think that looks pretty good, so I'm just going to hit OK. And so now once you're to this point, this Save and Continue button will be available. And that will save your image and then open up the next image in the batch. And also, as mentioned, if you select single layer, it's going to merge all of these for you, so you don't have to do that. And then you're just going to repeat the process until you're done. In this case, I'm just going to hit skip to next image because I don't want to do that again for the video. Then it's going to tell you the batch process is complete. And with CC 2019, if there's no images open by default, it takes you to this the home page, which you can get back to Photoshop here. So that's it. The batch processing is actually pretty simple. It's going to step you through it, and you can get through a lot of images actually really quick doing this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you're interested at all in image extract, please be sure to visit our website. That is pixnub.com.